Etefo yema muni akwa aba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel so na uyo obi a wonim de ekoso wo Ghana pa won say Endra another investigative journalist won say Ghana de ye kan investigative journalist a wo bebo Anas another person a wo bebo a wo ye adwuma ema multimedia eye Manasseh Azuri o hwe Manasseh Azuri a ngofu bebre elebo no say oye MPP ni because ono na Embra Mahama ewo power no boye investigation etre say Mahama the contract emma say Burkina Faso ni bi nipa ko no work kitikiti bia wo si sika kesie bia ye de man nipa kro no na Ghana fonia entia say aden na sie man sika bebresa na nipa ko no wie ye no e no talk a che Mahama na Mahama so je ka no sansem no me kai say some years ago Embra Mahama ye president no ebedane asem kesie pan che say ye de Mahama ekọ straja na obopeso mu impeach Mahama kra ebe ya asem kesie na sambre no Manasseh Azori ebe release sa eye expose no MPP for bebre ebeta na chi say no kre NDC for sorry ka say Manasseh we MPP ni na enwa se ende Manasseh Azori eye ndra enyumbre omayente ya say wo be release eye expose bi on political vigilante na o release ye no na tre say MPP for group bia ye friend the I na MPP for na training mo use state resources etie for state resources na wo hu be bia ye training crofo we a ye training mo near Osu Castle be bia na eye MPP so be bia na president on say before you be see Flagstaff House no na Osu Castle na presidential seat nti ho na ye training crofo we wo na ye say aban mpanyifo enim group we just say wo share expose na wo be hu nipa na wo training crofo no kan no say Ekufuado F4 mo so Ekufuado say omo ayade Ekufuado so omo ho ofe omo ye mbema na nyama wo share obon say yes secret tape no asanete na Manasseh expose ya no release sa ye expose no Endra na Ghana for be ka say nti Ekufuado oba ye na wo be ka ten say wo pese ye ban political vigilantes no say na krokro de John usiechi na wo ma omosanso ti group wo wa ohwene ano so wo mu use state resources na NDC for na Embra Mahama woso na Manasseh Azori expose eye Mahama no NDC for na omo ka se eye Manasseh Azori no sebe oye MPP no ende NDC for no more support no say Manasseh video na we releasing eno ano no na MPP for na wo mo ye expose Mahama wo so mo support Manasseh no ende omo say Manasseh no ye NDC ni nti we say politics na politicians no mo te nti nipa ko na ya de na ekọ against omo pe nipa ko na ye we ni ya de na favor omo pe omo si nipa no wo ye adwuma ende he MPP for bebra ba bonten ba hye Manasseh Azori say o master video no release ye no bibi pa bia enim na mehu a lot of social commentators kasa say MPP for monkwa momre Anas Ghana for bia hu no say hero monkwa momre Anas expose mon crofo kakra mo ba bonten be attack no and then Manasseh Azori nso expose mo ba bonten ba attack no na trese mo de mo hu son ye boa na nipa ba kwa wakasa fa ho wa blast Manasseh Azori ye Abronya DC na Abronya DC mo amunim so MPP ni mapana say o MPP communicator wo free bronga hafo very popular it is for very very popular na nkrofo ehu say enche bia no obe stand for anomu hu say in the future obe stand for national executive role because social senior wanante or core radio station say kasa passionately for MPP hu abon say yes Accra do MPP na Abronya DC aba bonten abekasa afa we ho ablasting Manasseh Azori say nsem na Manasseh Azori de betu udwa no sebe video na de betu hwinim na ade Manasseh Azori person wo tre no ntro because o Manasseh Azori una was stress nkofo no omo ye militia na vigilantism na we hu vigilante group a wo mo website da eno ne nsem a Abronya Abisa because group no omo website nti obisa say we hu vigilante a wo mo website da na sanse na wo kan ye ntro nti yenkonko tie eye abronye nsem wo kekan
ni asekire na in fact o de makras one for so a wo mo nso ntimi nkire ase asa wo hwe fam na wo nte ase because as militia yakase militia over yes militia group a e kire se asojafo e ko mo kun ba biye not mamufo ye to ye civilian no maka se o matre ni se ye nya ready in case o mokọ ne se e ho no ma ho den boro so a no ma use ye dia supplement nya sa na tie en na militia ye trenu di tuo ye den e hye wunsam na ne Ghana fo munya kwanya hwe ne edwa ni su yiye ofa obi anu na okitatu nti militia na omo ka ho asem no wo mo say awiano publication e ba man joy online ne say na say azure na so kirekire mu ne say his excellency Nana-Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo e wo mo backing wo so na onumre o hwa de na omo yiye na mo Mpanyini Nana-Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo say the I group no ono ene tetu omo for 2020 election near the publication e baaye no eba man joy online wo ba be yie no now so ye investigative journalist no na so take immediate step to correct the publication aba no what say a militia group or more tier for election 2020 and you obey the entire show now nowhere and no because we are training you purposely for election 2020 and not publication now the Babontino about Ghana for now person say as a investigative journalist I say ye no for lesson 2020 and na Ghana for hwa animu say video na obayi ye no ene publication no ebe ye ni diswo because what the camera man for bet say me be video we na akire na video no we na wom ade wom ne say Nana-Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ne na MPP for training militia for election 2020 obayi video no so there is no way a video na wom say ye training mu purposely for election 2020 over coaching say ebisa nie me team militia group e de akwa akodi bone a me create website only some website sir wo go sisi a wo benya www.theigroup.com
oh okay
bo sisi asama obi otie Omaye Fembiamo www.thei.com sama omo website activities nyina yede ewom ne yakaso biem eye private company o ma register
oh okay
biem so the I group we offer unim say ubeko police you go through some training anameboa over call customer you go through some training over call police military you go through some training no mo ye ne say anam say emre bi atwam oni aban oni MPP ananti denti ni ya ba power no emma ba wa ne mrantie sora no makogu kase homa ye pe police ye pe soldier akọ ye pe fire service ayeden akọ ebinum sa video no yi ya maba wa na hu omo no what say currently some of them are working under NABCO
oh okay
sa video no mu yi ye no e maya na ebinum ya university graduate ebinum kita masters ebinum wa ma ebinum awo ma na mu aduma sem e na di kopio nto ba ko no me for the first time ye ba ban mu a me call cat wo me ka sem nko hobi ofa duru a nipa ye ho mo bie kwa akopa aduma ye ne wonim se makọ ho ba akopa 2017 enti ya se saade a yanka omo nyina mwom eno na di se da manfo kogu ho no ye pa adwuma no ana ono di idea ne ba se da bia mo begu adea yanka mo mwom ni anya no the I group no na chese to identify sankrofo we say opportunity bi beto oman ye fema wo you be the person to go because wo de ye wo details dada wo de also pa adwuma and the I group entie wo ma ye betre ni mu wo mo ko normal training ti se me o tena se me sara no pa me kom normal work we ye training wo mo entie anam se wo mo leaders no e security training ntino wo mo security training
okay
enti sani paninya akwanya ne se police form ba ne se okokotobia
yeah
edu se police training kwafwa na okobia omre
okay
FM
and let's say a labor force sort of
me ameno ka say me wo David Boateng o wasimfo so Honorable Kennedy a Japan constituency unim aduma oyo immigration camp na wo honom no asimfo so say immigration omo training school na wo honom no won friend David Boateng me ma brand here oko training wa ha oye UDS okay the I group no
okay
me kwanya me lobby na immigration fire no training no was o me the boss me hu so because my yebida nto ho nyame ya aduma next month wo mo clear exams wo be immigration officer
okay
abaya baako oye psychology e o KNUSC ye friend majority ye boa ono so wo e honom ono so oko training we bi
yeah
nto mo nyina akọ honom no aduma no enam say o medical na wa fasa training ni mu no oni problem e o honom o wasimfo so migrating oni bre enti military militia and everything
aya wakofa TV station
that was April 2018 yes that was April 2018 offer audio to the leader of the group obi akokore ayi UTV news na eba ye na the leader of the group man futuo say MPP mrantia na nado ma obi appointment ya mo se mo ntia se no munyai
okay
na ye yate yakuo se na nado ka se mo ntia se na mo bekọ akọkọ memma so wo babi na ho hia o ye de ne ye ne se ye boa se be ya obenya adwuma ye den aye enti munya se mo nam amanfo pampam nkrofo free office say enya depa UTV news and the same pictures now UTV for show you know the same pictures and obi a ose ne so central mada e show ne
say wakoya
undercover the same pictures now about UTV ma ye no last year 2018 the same pictures I was on TV3 ko kasai and TV3 for egusu wo video no e wo honom enti adefofo be na aba ala biam ya tetemo mama be yan to trasem 2016 no ofa ne asena guomani mase that is why me say to ye investigating journalism dia wasem na ka so mo de ba be ye into trasem no publication na ba ye no na say ko take immediate step na nka okwokorete because video na yi ne no abrantie no at say ye de ye trenu wa ne so di kodi bone a ye be yi wa mane ya discipline a wa nkasa wa yi atra manfo enti ede ne ye so incrementing a wo say nanado wo mo backing for 2020 ede ne ye so incrementing a e wom ene video ye o ye kira manfo of de ne wom because video na yi ya manfo hwe ye no abrante no ye omu leader no e tu omu fo se ye de trenu na aduma ma e no di kodi bone a ye hu se pe ye be yi wa ma enti sani paro ni pa bone sani paro o ye pa bone
FM
ye ti kroma enche ya ofa kai abotinjan ayi military ayi police uniform was by. So about or admit say yes, okay. Asema bevrola tebaka ye ne say bibibia no a incriminate ya aboatinja wa kan wa
on FM
nipa ne gitu say ye be pan police atade edi ahye ndisi mrantie e mo makọ so 2012 no me dia rene ampa o de rene MPP no enhye baabia se o mo ti any vigilante group for election 2020 ena ebinum akọ kuku this particular video say adi kana be ka kire Ghana for say mampanyini ka say onhye any militia group bi ase na mom hwese mampanyini group nie aba be dadi say publication na mudi aguma mpanyina nim ase en the whole day no na moamu on video no I vindicate mampanyina no ese say multimedia ebe pa mampanyina na do danko akofo ado ene na ban achew because MPP as a party no should take this issue so serious because when TV you should the whole of the day and the international community you know who say mampanyini abak militia group be at the end of the day no ababa say mampanyini ni marching and enya militia group so now I found what this because we are in a democratic society. We are in a democratic society. And to know for what no be after that no kuku free video no dia kwa jisika di no aka ne ono pe no wasorko sa na ye pese economy because yenim ne wa endorso vigilante e wo kromanom ne wa endorso over 30th April 2018 Mahama outdoors and GC Hawks Asante Radio community work that day no and no launch the Hawks and man can say we rely on them obiamo where daily graphic publication Mahama outdoors and GC Hawks 30th April 2018 Asante region unity work what they are not to one JDM outdoors new militia and we eastern region.
Yeah, the same Hawks now.
The same Hawks. The eastern regional executives of the opposition National Democratic Congress has ignored calls by civil society and the law enforcement agencies for Ghanaian political party to demilitarize the political term by unveiling a political militia in the lead up to the 2020 national elections. The new militia, which is composed of Central Bell and Bury youth, is known as the Eastern Mambas. And no Eastern Region Tall. And a Mampanyini call honum. Members of the militia, which suffered just over a week, were first sighted during the recent Eastern Regional campaign tour by former President John Dramani Mahama. They were part of his security details, where Today newspaper and a report to it. Our can say, Womatikwe to face Delta Force and invisible forces. Na mama encourage you more, say, more resources. Samoti Kromana, Samosamoye, investigative journalist, Adwana Moya, Mom produce one statement. Ewo Kroma, His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo, why endorse vigilantism? Ewo Kroma. Yenim nia mama akanin na vigilantism nyina yenim nia wakanwa. And two kuku story. Na se mo de kwa. No wonder say Haruna Idris say do FM ni City FM there. E che omo bottom. So fa what uni say wom. Ewo tape no mu. Say do FM ni City FM there. Nyame adom wo mato mo wo mo nkura na omo fie na omo sire die ahwa brebre. Haruna Idris na aka ahwa brebre ko fie yaduane ensu edi eye kakra na mo aba ahwa ko fie we Haruna Idris na aka nyam na meka o si do FM ni City die omo hwa wan di tifo fie santi ahwa brebre die omo ye number 1.
Well, on the tape what he saying they say no say okuya to do on kan do so kan o ma join ni City akare ni life.
What the omo ya is simple.
So be mama kan.
Who dey tie conversation e ko so. One person wo mo divert attention. Where otuku no ne Sami Jamfi WhatsApp chat. How are you Sami? Na Sami aba doing good, boss? Have you taken measure of what happened to Chairman Ofosu-Ampofo? We are still on it. I have given the 50,000 to some of the radio stations to help Chairman and the party from this issue. But the only difficult phase is Peace FM and some other radio stations which their managers have rejected the offer. But for the Herald newspaper and Power FM, they have received their token. Power FM holds to need the mimi from Sunyane. Tengana kura obeji. And a friend of Quine, Kitwa Biancha. Oh, me that some men lawyer Sunyane boy minim no. On their Tengana kura obeji dear friend I paid dear woo. Oh, Sunyane a friend I paid dear woo. On our own NDC panel member kwa. Or GNDC nini sika. Edus NDC nini bakasa. Opasa NDC nini kasa cheno. No akoshe bathroom. Entinu so ma 10 minutes ya no edru NDC nini so a no akoshe bathroom. Nti wa ma woni anya de ya. Ube siwa se dia. Oba free bathroom baba ne time na so. Ash FM.
Cause
what does it? Over flower banana kasa time na so na ndisi nini kwa na kasa. O wa bu kwa machine wunim o ti akire na no asete na nipa na eboko. Nti wa ma woni anya de na saa. Ni o ma free ase ye no no. Say asema ba. Ofa vigilantism asema ye kan. O ti tape na asema na for Trump of kan. O say ye take advantage ahead of them. Because as you see, I no yet didn't say MPP for Kuye. Near fast here to do our own thing. Patoka and Awanka.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, I know for some of cow tape because the whole day me tape 35 minutes for some of Kwan lecture. 35 minutes. Let me see who and ne or say. Yabama ya no aye dene aya wa so de ne de aboye pa enti yanka saa yanka na MPP fo no omo yese omo gu omo de ne nyina no ne ye ya faase akwakoye de ye de be faase akwakoye. That is why andi asedun katia etimi nya akukudro say o say I fully endorse the horse, the dragons and the lions. Enti o be faase no ma ye niama no ma ba be ye dede say entra Mahama Koka say nanado na de vigilantism ba Ghana ekuo be na din tutrasem ba Ghana politics kroma ubodina the only dina obakai da be na invisible force so bai da be ofanya 2015 ya and invisible forces ne delta force ya there by ba Ghana bakosem pa ne ye kan those days. Former President Kufuor Penso ye ko by 11 by election mako 7 na ye ko ye no ofa emoja beti obi a na ya Zoka boys ade beti everywhere na ya Zoka boys e na ye sa ade no e ko so Delta force and invisible forces no da ben and o matise sa amrante ne ba 2015-2016 and even the 2015-2016 aye the ba 2016 election no why never to me den inside sin bo say amrante ekoye ntuturasem. The only thing say we train them say one be kono mo the report to papa ye den aba and national organizer the general secretary and ami amete ya no menya ni pattern enti mi trene me mrantie se ba konkwo atebubu ba konkwo sampa ba konkwo doma omunye militia fo omunye ntutrasem wa dance dia trese Delta Force and invisible forces 2016 elections no omunye ntutrasem wo any part of the country no bring the evidence for evidence in bra but you see part of the tamaleni impatam collection room harina do to constituency inu safuseni won say olusu abano na say Zoka boys in here den e bomb to save him
on Mon FM
from losing the 2016 elections. Sa record so nyina ye den e wo ho enti mutepu aba ne ye kan sofa mekan na no ha adena eniema tepu we bae no benamo na nkase Ghana yewu obeye ayi your friends a demonstration eno ne yabo ne din no hare na duru to say oh ono de ne fia na ote papa paimu a party national time a wo sora obi didi anu wayina dua na free ni table so de you don't deserve to become a national when you now represent ayi wo mko APAC meeting papa also here a party national time